Introduction to OneDrive File Sharing
is a cloud storage service that allows you to store, access, and share your documents securely online. Sharing files with others is simple and can be customized to fit your security needs. In this guide, we'll cover the safest methods to share documents and set permissions using OneDrive.
Choosing the right sharing method.
OneDrive offers several sharing options. You can send a direct link, share via email, or invite specific people. The safest approach is to share with specific individuals and require them to sign in. This ensures only intended recipients can access your documents and prevents accidental sharing with unwanted users.
Setting permissions, view versus edit.
When sharing a document, you can set permissions to view only or edit. View only allows recipients to read or download the document, but not make changes. Edit allows them to modify or collaborate on the file. Always choose the lowest permission necessary to keep your documents safe.
Advanced security features.
For even greater security, OneDrive lets you set expiration dates and passwords for shared links. Expiration dates automatically revoke access after a set time, while passwords add another layer of protection. Consider enabling these features for sensitive documents or when sharing outside your organization.
Managing and revoking access.
You can manage who has access to your files at any time. From the OneDrive interface, select a shared document and review its permissions. Change or remove people's access if needed, or disable a share link entirely. Regularly reviewing shared documents helps maintain control and security.
Best practices for secure sharing.
To ensure safe document sharing on OneDrive, always double-check recipient details, use the strictest permissions, and enable advanced options for sensitive files. Regularly review your shared items, and stay aware of who can access your data. With these steps, you can confidently share files while keeping them secure.